What's up guys, KG, RoughToBeBuffTV. We got an exercise tutorial for you today. What we're gonna be covering is the single leg Romanian deadlift. So you can do this body weight or dumbbells, kettlebells, or a barbell. Today, I'm gonna be using some 50-pound dumbbells. So really quick for the setup, this is a single leg exercise. So first things first, you're gonna make sure you have that down leg, whatever your down leg is, that you're balanced over your midfoot. A soft bend, you're gonna peel the shoulders back and together. And then the back leg, there's gonna be extension as you hinge strictly only in the hip. This back leg gets a good kick, so you're activating that glute, and then you're going to stand nice and tall, okay? So you can see I'm just hinging in the hip. Those dumbbells are going right below the shoulders. I'm keeping my back relatively straight. It should look straight from the base of my neck all the way down to the bottom of my left heel here. So if you're taking a look from straight on, I'm gonna switch feet just to even it out. Soft bend left knee, hinge strictly in the hip. The dumbbells go straight down. Go ahead and drive yourself up. Make sure that this knee isn't caving heavily in. That's kind of a no-no. Hinge in the hip, back leg extension, stand nice and tall. Single leg Romanian deadlift, RoughToBeBuffTV. I'm KG. Peace.